Hi, this is the Motorola Moto G9 Play and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap to the network and internet. To activate Wi-Fi option or to turn it off, we should click to the switcher. After the activating of the Wi-Fi switcher, you will see here all of the available networks which you could use. Let's select one from them and here just enter the password. After that, tap to connect button, wait a second, and we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. After that, you could use your device with the Wi-Fi network. Also, we got one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and you will see here the Wi-Fi icon. To activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, just click to the switcher to this icon, and to launch full Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while. After that, you'll see here all of the available networks. Just select one from them, enter the password and connect. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.